Tired feet walk down the street past vacant lots. Neighborhood not very good, but all we've got. Kids at the corner store stare at us hard. Where for a chance to win, we must fill in our lotto cards. You can place a bet, buy cigarettes, blunts and beers. All the finest things in life are offered here. The goods on the shelves define ourselves, shape our lives. Penny candies, bongs, and butterfly knives. Laying low in the bodega aisles. The man behind the counter never smiles.